What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best grafting tools 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Kremway is designed for professionals and comes with extra durability and sturdiness. The blades allow you to easily cut the branches, instead of wasting time and effort on traditional methods with lower success rate. All the materials used for construction are top-notch, which add to the overall durability of the tools. Like the competing grafting tools, it can easily work with 5mm to 12mm thick fruit tree branches, and comes with a pruning tool, 3 replaceable blades, 50 colorful plant labels, 30 wide and 100 thin rubber bands, as well as a screwdriver and a wrench. Number 4. If you are a professional gardener and are looking for a grafting tool that will help you in your commercial expeditions, get your hands on this one by Glarks. The kits come with a 2-in-1 grafting pruner tool, 2 replaceable blades, a wrench, a screwdriver, 36 wide rubber bands, 150 thin rubber bands, 1 grafting tape and a storage case. The blade is constructed using number 65 carbon steel, and the handle is designed such that it does not require a lot of effort to operate. It is pretty user-friendly, unlike most of the grafting tools. The blade replacement as well as blade sharpening is very easy. It can handle branches with 5mm to 14mm thickness. Number 3. Designed to save labor and make things easier for you, this grafting tool set by FUNGTEC comes with a pruning tool that can be used for both grafting and trimming. It is suitable for branches that are 1/4 to 1/2 inch in diameter. For consistent cutting, it comes with 3 types of blades that are pretty much equipped to be roughed out without losing their durability. Apart from the pruning tool, it also comes with a grafting knife for top working stocks. The package also includes 2 sets of grafting tape and a few replacement blades. The blades are constructed using stainless steel and are double-edged. The best part is, all the tools are lightweight, which improves the overall efficiency. They are ideal for gardeners who are just beginning their grafting career. However, if you are looking for something that will be able to handle thicker branches as well, you might want to look elsewhere. Number 2. If you are looking for something high-end, this set of professional grafting tools by ZALAVALA is ideal for you. It comes with a 2-in-1 grafting pruning tool, 3 replaceable blades, a wrench, a screwdriver, a lot of rubber bands, and 50 colorful plant labels. The complete set is constructed using number 65 heavy-duty carbon steel. The blades are double-edged and shear, that makes the whole task a lot easier. The pruning tool and wrench handles are made using heavy-duty ABS plastic, which promises a longer lifetime. For a higher success rate, the toolkit comes with 3 replaceable graft cutting blades. These blades can handle branches as thin as 5mm and as wide as 12mm, on top of providing precise and accurate cutting, encouraging vascular growth. All the steel components are treated for rust and corrosion resistance, improving the overall lifespan of the tools. The grafting films included in the package are top-notch. They are waterproof and the sticking is on point. Number 1. This grafting toolkit by NOYE is your best overall pick due to the high value for money it provides. The toolkit comes with a pruner set, 2 grafting tapes, a few rubber bands, a screwdriver for changing the blades, 3 sets of blades for the pruner, plant labels and storage organizer. The main tool of the set is the pruner, that can be used for cutting leaves and twigs as well as for grafting. The 3 blades included in the kits are Greek letter Omega cut, U cut, V cut. Every type of cut has a completely different effect on the vascular growth of the plants. Hence, you can choose the one you like. The blades and screws in the toolkit are made by using number 65 stainless steel. Because of this material, it's provide high durability and sturdiness. The rest of the tools are designed using high-strength ABS plastic that has a longer life as compared to rubber. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.